everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing another unboxing with Maz video, and it is the December Yumetwins box. Yay! I am so ready to unbox this. Let's see what's in the box. We've got some, looks like some red and green paper, which would be for Christmas. We open it up. We've got our Yumetwins December Christmas box. Let's see what's inside. As usual, we have our cute little volume, our cute little book, which tells us everything that is in here. The first thing I see in the box is this little dude, and he is an Amuse Kotoritai Kinchaku pouch. And it looks like a little... Is he a penguin? No, I don't think he's a penguin. He's a bird. He's a bird of some kind with a little drawstring pouch. That's super cool. Next, we have a Snoopy plushie. It's the yellow bird. I know his character, I don't know the name of his character. Snoopy the Peanuts movie. So this is obviously some Christmas movie merchandise, and it's the cute little yellow bird, which is Snoopy's cute little friend, and he's popping in saying hi with a cute little red Christmas hat. So cute. We have something else that is Snoopy. And it's a mirror! That is so cool. So it's a little Snoopy mirror. So it's got some cute little Snoopy prints on it. And then you fold this back and kind of like sit it up, and there you have a mirror. Ching ching. The next thing we have, it looks like some tape. It says Yurusei Yatsura masking tape. I'm not familiar with this character. But it's a cute little, it's a super cute design. It's a cute little anime girl on it. And it's got Japanese written on it as well, and this would be super awesome for scrapbooking. We have a dog, a square dog, and it is a Mameshiba Inu smartphone cleaner. So I'm guessing you use this little dude to clean your smartphone. Let's see if it works. Magic. Next, we have a Merry Christmas bath collection, and I'm guessing you pop this in your bath. It says it's a Christmas bath soak. So treat yourself to holiday goodness with this bath soak in a cute Christmas packaging. In a cute Christmas packaging, that's what it says. This bath soak will wash away your stress with the sweet aroma and the beautiful Christmas red color. Cool, so it's probably like a bath bomb, but not a bath bomb. I like the noise it makes. Shake, 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 yeah. I see a Rilakkuma hand towel. Bam! It is super pink and I like it. It is super cute, and he's got his little ducky friend. That ducky friend reminds me of this YouTube video about a duck. Anyway, it's a super cute towel. We're already to the last item in the box, and I think I am the most excited about this item because it's a Neko Atsume plushie hat! Ah! Cardboard, get out. I have to put this on my head. Neko Atsume. Anything cat is amazing. Man, this is not working well with all the stuff on my head, but I don't care. This is freaking adorable. Oh my god. And you can do it up, but why do it up? It looks cool. Oh, yes. Let me take this bow off real quick. I can even... Oh. Why you do this, hell? Why you do this? This bow totally is not coming out of my hair, guys. Ah, okay. There we go. Yes. Cat represent. I am so into this. I'm so into this hat. Ugh, let's take that cute stuff off. Put this cute stuff on. Oh my god, this is adorable. I'm done. I'm done, guys. I'm so done. This is the best thing ever in the box. This is one of my favorite things I've ever gotten in one of these boxes. Meow, 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 we are at the end of another Yumetwins box, which is super sad. But I gotta say, I'm so excited for next month's box because Yumetwins has had a makeover. So it's gonna be a brand new box with more quality goods that we all love. And I'm so excited to check out the new revamped Yumetwins. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video for December, and I hope you have an amazing Christmas. See ya.